Hi. So, today we're going to be learning how to take a screenshot using the snipping tool on Windows 10. Okay, we're going to start by typing snipping tool into Cortana search, and I see it's already come up. From there, you can take a snapshot of the screen through a few different methods. For convenience, these features might make your life easier. Window Snip takes a snapshot of a specific window. Full Screen Snip takes a full screen screenshot. Rectangular Snip offers the ability to only capture part of the screen through a rectangular viewing window. Alternatively, you may feel you need to use the Freeform Snip, which will enable the freeform selection of the screen in use as a screenshot. From here, I will show you how to take a rectangular screenshot. We have now taken the screenshot and can mark it up. To me, this looks fine.